The University of California, Berkeley, often known as simple as Berkeley, is not just one of the world's top universities. It is a symbol of intellectual courage, academic freedom, and transformative thinking. Located in the San Francisco Bay Area, Berkeley occupies a unique position in global higher education. Unlike institutions that emphasize polish and predictability, Berkeley thrives on debate, dissent, and discovery. This is a university where ideas are meant to be questioned, reworked, and sometimes completely overturned. Academically, Berkeley is a powerhouse across disciplines like economics, computer science, engineering, political science, law, environmental studies, history, and public policy. It has consistently shaped global thought through Nobel Prize winning research, revolutionary social theories, and cutting edge technological innovation. Silicon Valley itself has grown in the intellectual shadow of Berkeley's classrooms and laboratories. What truly defines Berkeley is its culture. Students here are trained not only to master subjects but to develop strong academic opinions. The classroom environment encourages critical interrogation, interdisciplinary thinking, and socially engaged scholarship. Berkeley does not produce passive degree holders, it produces researchers, policymakers, activists, and global intellectuals. However, admission to Berkeley, especially for international students, is far from straightforward. Beyond strong grades, the university evaluates academic rigor, subject alignment, analytical writing ability, research inclination, and clarity of academic purpose. Application essays, academic narratives, and long-term goal articulation play a decisive role. This is where Dr. Soros's classes becomes a strategic support system for aspirants targeting institutions like Berkeley. At Dr. Soros's classes, students are guided through the entire journey, not just exam preparation. The mentoring focuses on building strong conceptual foundations aligned with global academic standards, developing critical thinking and analytical writing. Essential for Berkeley-style education, structuring statements of purpose that reflect intellectual clarity, not generic ambition. Understanding application processes, timeline, and evaluation criteria. Preparing students mentally for research-oriented discussion-driven academic cultures, Berkeley looks for thinkers who can stand their ground intellectually. That confidence is cultivated through disciplined preparation and academic mentorship, not guesswork. In essence, Berkeley is not simply about studying at a top university. It is about learning how to think freely, argue responsibly, and contribute meaningfully to the world. Berkeley challenges minds. Dr. Soros's classes prepare them to rise to that challenge.